Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Fashion Iksha. In this video, we are learning how to make open collar pattern. Measure half of the neck round from the fold and draw a straight line. Mention this as A and B. From the point A, mark 3.25 inches, that is for the collar width, and from the point mark half of the neck round and draw a straight line which is parallel to the line A and B. Mark this as C and D. And now join the points of B and D. From the point D, mark 3/4 inches above and mention this as point E. And from the point B, mark half an inches outward for collar shape and mention this as point F. Now measure the collar width and add half an inches extra to the collar width. This half an inches is for the collar shape, and this measure this 3.75 inches from the point E and join a line connecting to the point F and mark this as G. And now locate a midpoint of A to B and also locate a midpoint of C to D. Now connect this midpoint from the point G. So you can use a French curve or a mole curve in order to draw a smooth curve line, and also join from the point E to midpoint of C to D. So this completes a open collar pattern. And now mention the terminologies of the pattern, that is grain line, and mention number of pieces to cut, that is cut 2 pieces, and also mention on fold. So these terminologies will remind you at the time of cutting in the fabric.